about the fact that there are actually many children around the world that do not have access to learning, and the rest of their life becomes very, very difficult. There's lots of different rights that they don't have, and we can find ways to help them, support them, so that all children have their rights respected. One of the things that we do here in our school is we make sure that we stick to our core values so that we're making life better for everybody around us. And as you know, in each assembly, we like to recognize some of the people who have been showing some tremendous core values over the course of the previous month. I'm going to name some people right now that we would like to recognize for core values. When I say the person's name, if they would like to come forward and receive a symbolic core value shirt. We're going to begin with a student who is in grade 5. This student consistently demonstrates our core value of integrity in everything he does. From his demeanor with peers to being thoughtful and considerate, completing his work thoroughly and thoughtfully. This student possesses a strong moral compass and adds to our classroom community. A big applause, please, for Ahmad Abu. Examples that we have all around the district, a terrific example of integrity. Applause, please, for Ahmed. You know that one of our core values is that of courage. We have lots of students who are recognized for showing the very important core value of courage this past month. This student, who is in grade 2, demonstrated courage by presenting 2 passion projects so far. Her second passion project was about road safety. A big applause for the courage shown by Maria Rowley. February 10th, coming very soon, this space right here, this auditorium, will be filled with your passion, your curiosity, what you want to have the courage and curiosity to present in our next Passion Project Fair. If there's something you're passionate about, learn about it and find a way that you can teach others about it, and you can be right here in this auditorium sharing your passion with others. And you know that compassion is something that is shown by many, many students here every single day. We're going to recognize one student in grade 1. And this student, on only his 2nd day at ACS, he noticed that another boy was having a very difficult time in the morning saying goodbye to his mother. This student invited the boy to walk with him and helped him to feel happy again. This student is already showing ACS compassion. A big applause and a welcome to ACS to Ari Thorstad. And I would just like very quickly, if you are new to ACS in January, please stand up. If you are new to ACS this year, please stand up. You are showing the curiosity that's so important for you to have to share with others. This student is being recognized as a student from KG2. And she asks a lot of great questions to make sure that she can always do her very best. She likes to read new books on different topics and find out new things. And she is always trying to find solutions to problems. This student, recognized for her curiosity, is Miss Emma Burson from KG2. attention is far too small for you to see up here. Direct attention to the screen that's over there. We have something new for all of you curious kids, especially in grades 3, 4, and 5, even younger ones as well too, called My Tech Badges. And there are students that have already taken the invitation to learn more about things completely on their own using a website created by Mr. Flick right here at ACS, learning different things about technology. They are showing curiosity and they're showing courage to do this on their own in their own time. This is called mytechbadges.com, grade 5, grade 4, and grade 3. You're going to be doing it already with your classes, but you can all do this at home as well too. There are lots of things that you can learn. For example, our very first one is Google Student Level 1 Logins and Docs. A big applause please for Cash Russell, who is already Please stand up. Our next badge will receive one of these kids for their backpacks. Google Student Level 2, Charlie Waterman. So just stand up if your name is called. You can stay where you are. Google Student Level 3 is ready for you to do. The next we have Google Student Level 4. We already have 2 students, Charlie and Sawyer Roberti, who have already completed. All of these things, if you want to know more about them, you can ask our resident expert, Charlie. We've had people complete badges in keyboarding, 15 words per minute without the keyboard. We've had 25 words per minute without the keyboard. All of these things. We even have students who have done 35 words per minute without the keyboard. All of these things right here. You think it all, please come forward. There's a 10 words video badge ready for you. There's an interview badge ready for you at My Tech Badges. Interviews. And we have, that's it. So, you know where to find more of this. All of these students will be receiving, depending on how many they completed, a pin that they can now put in their backpack. When they do work in class, when they do projects, presentations, and passion projects, they can now use these special skills to present these in a very unique and new way. A big applause for everybody who's taken up that invitation. In our next assembly next month, we will recognize our values again, and we will recognize everybody who has worked hard and completed our tech badges. The invitation is for you. A big applause for our grade 3 presenters.